Top clear.
Put the microphone very close to your mouth and say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How about you back there? Put the microphone very close to your mouth and say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
A little closer to your mouth.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Little even closer.
It's touching my mouth.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Okay.
Very good. Press this button twice. That's a GPS receiver. Very good. Now press this button and turn this on. Turn this on. Very good. Push this button so that we can hear the weather again. That one.
Mission Echo 18550 Zulu.
Same one.
Wind calm,
Okay.
visibility 10,
Push the button.
sky clear.
Whiteman ground, Garmin 882 Foxtrot at ROTOR F, exit information Echo. Taxi for takeoff.
Runway 882 Fox, Whiteman ground, runway 12 taxi Alpha.
Runway 12 taxi Alpha 882 Foxtrot. Now let the brakes go, but hold your foot on the brakes. That's how we're going to steer it. Let me do the initial steering first. You know, I'll get the airplane out of here.
Okay.
We're going to turn like this. Okay, now your foot on the up on the brakes, right?
Okay, yeah.
I'm going to tell you. This is not going to steer, so only your foot. You see that yellow line back in the middle of the road going that way? Press top of the right foot. Top of the right foot. Harder, little press harder. And there you go. Notice how it turns? Very good. Hold the right foot down. Now top of the left foot so that it stops turning. There you go. You're going to hold this line right between your legs as you see it, that yellow line.
Okay.
Very good. You already got the actual. Now you see the line ends. We're going to take the left turn. Wait until I tell you. Let the split point disappear under the nose.
Okay.
Wait. Press top of the left foot. Just follow the line with your foot. Very good. Now top of the right foot a little so that it goes onto the line. A little bit more. Top of the right foot. Very good. A little bit more right. A little bit more. More right. There you go. You control it like that. Otherwise it's just going to go that way.
Sure.
We're going to do immediate anymore. Sky 73726 Whiteman Tower, left downwind departure. Runway 12 clear for takeoff.
Now we're going to turn to the right. Always look that way. To the right. Right foot. Top of the right foot. Right. Top of the right foot. This way.
Oh, this way.
The right foot. Right. Yeah. There you go. Very good. Now top of the left foot to hold it from, going that way. Very good. You see that dashed area there?
Uh-huh.
That's the engine test area.
Okay.
So we're going to turn right. Top of the right foot.
Okay.
Very good. You see those arrows painted on the road?
Uh-huh.
Good. On the pavement, we're going to go to the tail of this arrow. Then we're going to follow the tails of the arrows to the first arrow.
Okay.
Now top of left foot. There you go. Now top of right foot. Once it turns, you want to apply right. There you go. There you go. Wait. When I tell you top of the left foot. Okay? Top of the left foot. just a little bit more. There. Top of the right foot now. Right foot, just the right foot. So airplane goes to straight. Let the left foot go. Are you pressing top of the right foot?
Yep.
Let the left foot go though. Yeah, there you go. You were holding the left down, so airplane wasn't going. We're just by the side of the arrow. No problem. That's your first time. Okay, we're going to test the engine now. Ready?
Okay.
Now take this throttle, push it gently in until this needle is right at my fingernail.
Okay.
3 fast, 1 5, 1800. More. Another click, and another click. Right there, perfect. Very good. Let go. Now we're going to check our gauges. Fuel pressure is good, oil pressure is green, oil temperature is cool. Our battery is charging. Our exhaust gas temperature is nearly exactly correct. And that one is our vacuum, green, and our meter is working. Okay?
Okay.
Now, you're going to grab this green key, go one easy click to the left. Just nice click to the left. Very good. Nice click to the right. Now you're going to go 1, 2 clicks to the left. Only 2. Very good. 2 clicks to the right. 1, 2. Very good. Each cylinder has 2 spark plugs and we check them both. Okay. Now pull this out all the way. Pull this out all the way. Push this in all the way.
726, are you a departure or are you remaining in the pattern?
Press this button. We're going to watch this to rise.
Okay, it's the left trial approved as 726.
Yeah, rising. You can shut it off.
This one? Fuel pump?
Yeah.
And when you get it on the other side, 726,
There you go, down.
frequency.
Now flight instruments. This one is set to field altitude. That one is 1 notch toward west. Runway is 12. Right there. Now look over your shoulder. I'm moving that surface. You see it? Lower the flaps down to match it. Flaps down to match it.
Down and then.
Right about there.
Okay.
Very good. Excellent. Now I'm going to test our full engine power. Let me pull this yellow sheet off. That's a spare yellow sheet in case you lost yours. You lost yours. Now, I'm going to apply full brakes, full engine power, and I'm going to adjust this to make maximum there. There, it's pretty a lot of engine power. We have nicely right about that, right? Okay. All right. Now you're going to take your foot off the pedals. You're going to use them after we land. Just take them off completely, but hands on this, okay? And we're going to close this. And good. Look that way.
Golf Hotel, Whiteman Tower. Straight out departure group, taxiway Alpha clear for takeoff. Wind 1606, October 2993.
Whiteman Tower, Garmin 882 Foxtrot, holding short of runway 12 at Alpha for right downwind departure into Van Nuys airspace.
Garmin 882 Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower, hold short of runway 12.
Hold short runway 12, 882 Foxtrot.
2126 Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower, make right traffic, runway 12, report downwind.
You can get some fresh air this way, right there. These are the vents.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just, you know, slide this thing to slide them open. It looks like yeah, there you go. Back right there. You passed too fast. Yeah, it's just like this. I see. Yours is a little broken, kind of, but no problem. This will pump some air in. It's so hot today.
Yeah, it's warm.
4 Golf Hotel, frequency change approved, traffic along the 5 freeway south. The 5 is a Cessna inbound for right traffic. 4 Golf Hotel, frequency change approved.
ground, this is Beach 18972 at fuel, ready to taxi to 12 with Echo. Also like to try to pick up flight following from here to, from Whiteman to Santa Ynez.
Beach 18972 Whiteman ground, runway 12, taxi Alpha.
12 via Alpha.
Whiteman Tower, ground 882 Foxtrot, holding short of runway 12 at Alpha for right downwind departure to Van Nuys.
182 Fox, Whiteman Tower, hold short of runway 12.
Holding short, runway 12, 882 Foxtrot. Somebody's coming in, but I'm not seeing him.
Runway 882 Fox, Whiteman Tower, right downwind departure approved, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Right downwind departure approved, runway 12, cleared for takeoff, 882 Foxtrot. Hands on this. Very good, we're going to do this together. We're going to turn and align. Always look in case somebody's not listening to the tower. One can say one's on tail that way. Okay, now take this throttle, push it all the way in. All the way, all the way. Now hands on this. We're going to do this together. Make sure this is on. Very good.
Stand downwind,
Ready?
Yep.
Very good. Let's go. Wind is coming from the side a little. Don't worry about that part. Hold the nose up a little. Hold the nose, pull up a little. There you go. Push the nose forward. Little forward like that, so that we know where we're going.
Whiteman Tower, Skycatcher 30263, holding short of runway 12.
Very good. Yeah, like this. Now push the nose so that we can see where we're going. We're going to go toward that silver tank. Okay.
And 2126 Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower, can you accept right close traffic this time?
26 Fox, over.
26 Fox, make right close traffic this time, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
You see that pit?
Uh-huh.
We're going to go by the pit, then we're going to turn across the pit.
263,
Okay.
make right close traffic this time, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic, runway 12,
Okay, now tilt right,
0263.
little to your chest,
26 Fox, yeah, let's put another one there. You can make a
Little
right sure
less
discretion now, 26
like
Fox, runway 12, clear land.
12, clear land.
That's Interstate 5. Now, bring the wings level when we're perpendicular to the, wings level now. Wings level like this.
Okay.
Very good. Now, we're going to go.
Whiteman Tower, County Fire 12, County ramp with Echo, northeastbound departure, please.
Fire 12, Whiteman Tower, northeast departure approved, departing back ramp, your receives caution, wind 220 at 5. Traffic just approaching 210, 118, interchange along the 5 is a Gulf Stream descending into Burbank.
County Fire 12, traffic in sight.
Wings level. You see the airport?
Yep.
Good. We're going to go parallel to the runway.
Wow, this is incredible.
All right. Glad you liked it. 5 freeway. And
7516 November, Whiteman ground, runway 12, taxi Alpha. From 882 Foxtrot, for your westbound turning in, frequency change approved.
frequency change approved, 882 Foxtrot. Now push this button. No, not that one. Good. Bring the flaps up, all the way up.
Push it this way?
This way, all the way up.
All the way up?
Yeah.
Cessna 73726. Taxi across runway 16 right without delay, contact ground 47. Taxiing 16 right without delay, 73726 over the ground.
Van Nuys Tower, ground 882 Foxtrot, just southeast of 118.5 interchange, requesting transition through Van Nuys airspace south along 405.
How calling ground 82 Foxtrot Van Nuys Tower, say again only.
Requesting transition south along 405, 1800, 882 Foxtrot.
Ground 82 Foxtrot, ident, southbound transition approved, 1800, Savannah altimeter 29089er.
Southbound transition approved, will stay east of 405, 1800, 882 Foxtrot.
For Bull Creek Van Nuys Tower, verify Ada Sierra and...
You see the 118 freeway?
Yeah.
Very good. We're going to now, you see the 405 freeway?
Uh-huh.
Good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, just to the east of 405, there is Sepulveda Boulevard.
Okay.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
We're going to turn left on Sepulveda.
Okay.
Push the nose down a little.
Okay.
There we go. Turn left on Sepulveda. There we go.
Van Nuys Tower, 409er inbound with Romeo. Cathay 409 Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 left, cleared to land. And are you going to take parking?
Parking is back in signature north, so we'll go back to the west side.
Cathay 409 runway 16 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16 left, 409er. Van Nuys Airport.
Grumman 82
Okay,
Foxtrot, you can go to Santa Monica.
No, we would like to make one left, one sharp 180 at the 10145 and go back to Whiteman, 82 Foxtrot.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot at the 40511, make a left 180.
At the 10145, make left 180, 882 Foxtrot.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, squawk 0224.
0224, 882 Foxtrot. Push the nose down.
Okay.
Very good. We want to go to 1,800, downtown LA.
Okay.
Very good. And we're going like 120 miles an hour. You can see Palos Verdes, that mountain in the mist.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And just to the right side of it, the mountains in the sea are the Catalina Island. Push the nose down. Push the nose down. Down,
Okay.
down, down. There. Down. That's the way. Here's the Van Nuys Airport.
Wow.
We're going to see Burbank Airport that way.
Uh-huh.
The turbulence is caused by the valley heating up and the hot air rising.
Okay.
And it's like boats, it's pushing us, pulling us up and down sideways every which ways. We're going to go a little bit more up, like that. There we go. Excellent. 405 freeway.
Okay.
Oh, you can go a little up higher. You're like 7.
Wind 170 at 9er.
Very good. You see that lake?
Uh-huh.
That's Balboa Park, just south of the Van Nuys Airport.
Oh, okay.
You can go there and park for free, and you can actually rent paddle boats to paddle on the lake.
Oh, fun.
Right. You see that 405 freeway going up the hills?
Yeah.
That's the Sepulveda Pass. Goes
Okay.
to Santa Monica. Push the nose a little down. There, we're good. Nose down, down a little. Yeah, turbulence is lifting us up. Burbank Airport, you see the runway?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Wow.
They're going.
Woohoo!
Right.
Cathay 409, hold shorter
this
from
is
the
awesome.
try to manage frequency.
Your frequency, hold short, 16 right, Foxtrot. Now we're going to do one sharp left turn over those tall buildings.
Okay.
Helicopter 90 Papa, say again.
I'm going to tell you how to do that, so stick to it,
Helicopter 90 Papa negative, it was for
We're going
Cessna.
to do it together. You probably haven't done this before, but you're going to
Cathay
like
409er, taxi across runway 16
freeway,
right, contact ground point 7.
Okay.
across 16 right over to ground point 7, 409er. A little. Very good.
Helicopter 8 and 2 Papa, free chain approved.
Look at the 405 freeway south, all clogged,
Oh, yeah.
and they're going 120 miles an hour. Or you can go to Santa Monica just like that.
Wow.
There's 101 freeway, clogged,
Okay.
you can see.
Yeah. Oh, it's all backed up.
Yeah. And nice tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, executing sharp left turn.
92 Foxtrot, roger. Next, roger, understand left 180.
Woo! Doing left 180, 882 Foxtrot. Pull, look down.
Wow.
Look what we're doing. We turned right over the road, now push the nose down,
Okay.
full power, pull up to your chest, up, right there. Push the nose down. There you go. You like it?
That was cool.
All right, now we're going to go back to Whiteman. That looks like Van Nuys City Hall there, like a little tower-looking thing.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Van Nuys Airport, the Balboa Park, you're seeing it at a different angle.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wow, this is an adrenaline rush.
All right. Glad you liked it.
How you doing?
Good. Doing great.
So I get to land this today?
We're going to land today, yeah?
Am I ready to land it alone?
No. you have to get used to it, you know, you don't know how to even judge, you know, where to. So it requires, it'll require like 10, 15 landings to get the hang of it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It doesn't land itself automatically or anything. Everything has to be.
Tower 2, answer ident and approach requested.
Wow. Lots of swimming pools down there.
Yeah, you see them all, right? Now you see that little hill there?
Oh yeah, I do.
Whiteman Airport is just at the bottom of it.
Oh, okay.
Toward us.
Okay, got
You see those red stacks just to the south of Whiteman? Red and white?
Yep. Cool.
This is called the VA hospital, that complex there.
VA, okay.
The trees on, you know, lawn.
Fire 2, traffic 12 o'clock, 12 miles, turning southeastbound. Grumman altitude indicates 1,800. Actually, they're turning westbound now. Fire 2, landing north corner, via shown risk. Fire 6, answer.
Wow, this is so
Fire
cool.
3, traffic 2 o'clock, 1 mile northbound south, type unknown, altitude is 2,300. Fire 6, traffic 2 o'clock, 1 mile, same altitude indicated.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 82 Foxtrot, requesting frequency change to Whiteman.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, contact Whiteman Tower 135.0.
135.082 Foxtrot.
Cherokee 777,
Turn to the freeway interchange on Fulton Fair Chest. We're going to go up.
Okay.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower.
Whiteman Tower, Grumman 82 Foxtrot, just west of 118.5 interchange inbound land.
And the Grumman 882 Foxtrot, roger that. Traffic just heading to your right along south on the 5 is a fire helicopter. Don't turn base over there yet. You got traffic off your left. Do you have in sight?
We have the helicopter inside, 882 Foxtrot.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, yeah. Before turning any base, that's a pattern entry over there. You got to let me know. Okay, you're going to have to widen out to pass behind that helicopter 82 Foxtrot on right base entry, runway 12.
Roger, behind the helicopter, right base runway 12, 882 Foxtrot.
Helicopter fire 14, start your midfield cross, start your crossing now to the back ramp, landing back ramp, your receives caution.
All the flaps down.
14, push it down, right?
All the way down.
787 now, downwind the beam.
Cherokee 787, extend downwind, I'll call you base turn.
Sending downwind, call me base.
Do you see how high we are?
Fire 14 across now, you're going to have to remain west for traffic. Is the Grumman turning 2 mile left, correction, right base.
14, we'll get across right now. Whiteman Tower, County Fire 12, back with you, 6 miles east, 2,700 with Foxtrot for the county ramp.
At 263, turn right, make right close traffic. Traffic landing straight in for Burbank is a Boeing 737.
Taking right close traffic, 30263. Whiteman Tower, Beach 18972, request frequency change, SoCal 120.4.
SoCal's
134.2 beats.
They say they're too high, but you don't want to get low because there are power lines and everything's down there.
Oh, yeah.
Cherokee
And the
77, you start to your
turbulence
left
sucks
base
us
now,
down,
runway
just
12 clear,
like
number
it
2 to follow, Grumman on a mile final.
So am I taking my hands off?
Just hold it loose.
Number 2.
Hold it loose. No problem. Hold it loose.
Hey, who's the other fire helicopter inbound?
County Fire 12, 5 miles east now with Foxtrot for the county ramp.
Fire 12, Whiteman Tower, does that verify this echo? Report 210, 118, interchange on inbound.
We'll call you at 210, 118, and we've got Foxtrot.
Hold it loose. Hold it loose, hold it. Hold it loose, hold it. Hold it loose. Okay, hold on, hold on. Oh, hold on. Uh-oh. We're doing the bounce go around there. Hold it, hold it, hold it loose, hold it loose. That was unbelievable, but nice.
Runway 82 Fox, turn left Delta Alpha to park in this frequency.
Roger, turning left at Delta to parking at this frequency 882 Foxtrot.
Catcher 263, number 2 to follow Cherokee on a mile final. Runway 12 clear land, traffic inside.
Bounce, pull, bounce, pull.
Have traffic inside, number 2 to land.
were about 80 knots. I didn't want to risk the turbulence you were sucking at us, so I slowed us down.
Wyman Tower, Cherokee 787, just want to make sure I'm clear to land 12.
Cherokee 77, yeah, runway 12 is clear to land.
Clear to land 12, Cherokee 787.
With your feet. Brakes. On the, yeah, brakes. Pull the flaps up.
County Fire 12 coming up 210-18.
And Fire 12, Ranger landing back, wrap your rescue caution.
County Fire 12.
Ooh, that was fun.
Like the bounces? If you can control that, it's best.
Yeah.
To slow down. I do it in rainy weather. If you brake in the rainy weather, it's hydroplanes. So you touch down, pull up, touch down, pull up, touch down, pull up. But never do up, down on the nose, up, down on the nose.
Right.
That's deadly. You have to keep the nose up like I did.
Yeah.
787, turn left here, Delta, off to park this frequency.
Left at Delta, taxi to parking via Alpha, Cherokee 77, remain frequency.
Wind is kind of odd today. It's coming partly sideways and partly behind. As we were taking off, you know, it wasn't just going anywhere for a while. And that means the wind is coming behind us. Like about there, notice it sucks you down.
Yeah.
There's a Cessna coming in. Now we're going to take this right turn. Press the top of the right pedal. Top of the right pedal. Hard, a little bit hard. There you go. Yeah, if I hadn't slowed it down like this, we would have it all the way down to the end of the runway there.
Oh.
And the street is right after it, so I never get that close.
That's no good. That's
slow it down before, just in case, you know, something is slippery. Now we're going to turn and park. Now the trick is never to hit that Cessna there.
Yeah.
And we're going to park at number 1. So I'm going to turn not to hit the chain there.
Wyman Tower, Benenda 6057, Echo, full control 12 for left downwind departure.
Hold on.
Benenda 6057, Echo, Whiteman Tower, you can make a left downwind departure, runway 12 clear for takeoff.
Now I don't want to hit the
6057, Echo.
tail there. Notice the close situation. They're going to go. Now we're going to quickly turn like that and align it. If you let the wheel go a little, brakes go right this way, right there. Okay, now we're going to shut the airplane down according to the checklist. First thing, you press VFR.
This one?
Then press and hold this button. Not that one. This one.
Oh, this one. Okay.
There we go. Now click. Click off. Click off the top one. Wait until it shuts off. Then grab this, pull it all the way out. Only air goes to the engine, and guess what happens?
Still good.
It's dieseling. Turn the key to off. There you go. All the way off. Pull it out. And put it right up here. It's hot. Shut the lights off. And the master off.